Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will learn how to pronounce Zabar Zayr and Pesh in an Arabic accent. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. How to pronounce Zabar Zayr and Pesh in an Arabic accent. Zabar Zayr and Pesh are called Harakaat. Pronounce the Harakaat in an Arabic accent without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. How we pronounce Harakaat we will see with examples. Zabar and Pesh are placed above the letter, whereas Zayr is placed below the letter. How we pronounce the Zabar we will see with example. Pronounce the Zabar by opening the mouth and raising the voice. For example, Hamza Zabar A, Hamza Zabar A. Pronounce the Zayr by dropping the voice. Hamza Zayr E. Pronounce the Pesh by rounding the lips. Hamza Pesh U. This is the example of how to pronounce Zabar Zayr Pesh in an Arabic accent. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.